We are live
Hello,
now.
everyone.
Yes.
So we are live now.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone who have already joined in, who are a bit early. Just wanted to let you know that um, we will be starting sharp at 11 a.m. We have an action-packed agenda, and as you can see from your screens, we have the Faraway Tree Hospitality's entire Andaman team there with you, or well, part of their key team there on screen with you, who've got an action-packed agenda, including a quiz, lots of interactive videos, and really a virtual tour. So please bear with us while we start at 11 a.m. In about 7 minutes. In the meantime, if you've got any questions, please use the chat box, the chat functionality on the side of the box to ask these questions. We will take these up through the webinar as well as towards the end of the webinar. We want this session to be as interactive as possible. So I repeat, please ask as many questions as you want, and we'll start sharp at 11 a.m. Thank you.
So we have another 6 minutes. Thank you, Nikhil. Hi to everyone who's joined in. My name is Akshay. That's my colleagues, Harsh. Harsh, if you can put your hand up. Shiva and Mr. Akshay Shah. So the idea is, as Nikhil said, to make this as fun, as informative as we possibly can. And please feel free to ask as many questions in the chat box. My colleagues Shiva and Akshay will be noting them down, so we make sure we don't miss a single question, and we will ensure that we answer all the questions at the end of this. By the way, I hope everyone is doing well and safe during these tough times, and keeping yourself busy. Well, I for one have learned to cook, so I enjoy cooking now. And I'm sure all of us must have found some hobby to keep ourselves busy.
Absolutely, Akshay. I think even I've taken up cooking for a matter,
Oh
so it's
yeah,
rather
lovely.
exciting. Yeah, I can't testament on how good the food is, but I have tried to cook.
No, and also it's amazing how all these YouTube videos about cooking, the food, if you actually follow step by step, the food can actually come out the way they've shown. Otherwise I used to think, on who's going to cook and kahan wo butter chicken aisa banega ya paneer masala aise banega. But it does actually come out the way it is. And I think for Indian cooking, it's even slightly easier because you generally find the same type of ingredient. वो onion
Absolutely.
होगा, प्याज होगा, garam masala होगा, haldi, coriander. So it's been a good learning exercise because नहीं तो खाने से at least I had never really gone into the kitchen and cooked on a regular basis. But now I have been doing that. So yeah, it's been fun.
Oh, fantastic. Great to hear. So, for everyone who is just joining us, I know there's 170 people of you already there. Just let you know that we will be starting sharp at 11 a.m. Akshay and his team at Faraway Tree Hospitality have a very, very exciting agenda planned for you with lots of quizzes, polls, and I have to say, once first time seen a full virtual I was experienced at a virtual tour of Andaman as they take us through. So please hang on, ask, and use the chat panel to ask as many questions as you want, and we'll start sharp at 11.
Super. We have another 3 more minutes. We also have some polls, and we at the end of this we also have a quiz. We'll repeat all this at 11, but those of you who have already joined in, please do answer the polls. It's going to be very informative and helpful, and we will share the update with all of you. The quiz is based on the webinar, so do stay till the end because that person, one lucky winner, is going to get a free holiday to Andamans. And in order to make it interesting, we didn't want to just limit it for 3-4 nights. So we've given you a 6-night holiday, and you're free to pick and choose from the itinerary that you're going to be seeing today. So that this webinar will actually help you plan your own holiday to Andaman if you're the lucky winner. Another 2 minutes left for the webinar to begin.
Absolutely. So we've already got about 250 of you who have been prompt and early to join. So I must thank you all personally for taking the time on this busy morning to join us, and more importantly, on being prompt and being on time, which is very wonderful to see. It's really motivating for us and the team to see all of you attending and on time, because it really motivates us to get better and more interactive and better products for you in the future. So I'm sure Akshay will take this also as a positive sign of the interest in Andaman going forward.
Absolutely.
And I think one thing that I know Akshay will touch on in a bit, but one of the key things is that Andaman is probably the only Indian, I guess, union territory or state which is completely COVID-free at the moment. So really, and as you can see from the photos and you'll see from the virtual tour, it is one of the most exciting places that you can see. It doesn't look like India at all. It looks like you're in a beautiful beach in the Maldives or Seychelles or Bora Bora. So this can be really going forward for the next short term and long term future can be a really fantastic option for your clients to send them for a holiday when they want to get away without the worry of quarantining or visas or insurance, etc. So it really will be an ideal destination. So as I can see, we've reached about just about 11 a.m. So formally, I would like to say good morning to you all and welcome you all. So I'm Nikhil Jeet from TDP Webinars and Trap Talk. And first and foremost, I would like to thank you all for joining, being here on time, promptly, and joining us for this session today. So the session today is on Faraway Tree Hospitality, and as we can see on the screen, on Magical Andaman. We've got Akshay Rawat here from Faraway Tree Hospitality and iB2B, who will be taking us through the session, and he's got a very exciting session planned out for you. Before we get into the details of the session, just a couple of quick housekeeping announcements. So number one, if you cannot hear us or see us or something goes wrong, there should be a reconnect button on the top of your screen. Please press that button. It'll refresh your browser. Again, similarly, if you can't hear us or see us, you can please refresh your browser. It'll get you back to this page and then you should be seeing us. There's going to be no sound there should be no sound or video problem from our end. So please make sure you check it at your end. Secondly, if one of your colleagues wants to join this webinar or whatever, please feel free to send them the link you've received. They can also join the webinar at any given point, not a problem. The recording of this webinar will also be made live on Facebook, on Trap Talk India's Facebook page from this evening. So you can share that link with your colleagues, and you can, more importantly, if you want to see what you've seen, you can go back on that page and see what you've missed or whatever. Then a few things. So there's a quiz at the end of the webinar. It's based on the webinar, so you don't have to know anything extra about Andaman. It's based on the webinar, and one lucky winner will get a 6-day free or 6-night free holiday to Andaman from Akshay and the team. So again, big prize. So please wait till the end and please attempt the quiz as honestly as possible. We have planned for this session to be as interactive as possible. So we encourage you to ask as many questions as possible. We've got Shiva and Aksha from the Faraway team, who is on the chat, monitoring the chat as we speak, answering your questions. I also know that Akshay and the entire team at Tree Hospitality is very approachable, very reachable. They answer your questions, I would say, in a matter of minutes, not even hours and days. So if you have any questions, even after the webinar, we will share Akshay and the team's contact details and you can ask them questions through and through, not a problem. So I have known Akshay for a while now, and within 5 minutes, he responds to all emails, WhatsApps, questions. So if you've got any problems, no issue at all. Finally, a quick introduction about Faraway Tree. So Faraway Tree is a pure B2B operator in the Andaman Islands. So only works with the agents and books the trip with no one else. So it will not reach out to clients, purely for the B2B segment. They have handled more than 5,563 guests in the last year. Considering Andaman, I think that's a great achievement. I think congratulations, Akshay. That's a fantastic achievement. They are the number one B2B operator in Andaman with a focus on quality and happy guests. They have their own fleet of cars in Port Blair and Havelock, and one of the only few operators to have their own fleet of cars. Again, fantastic. They also own and runs something different, a beachside cafe the #1 restaurant in Andaman as ranked on TripAdvisor. So as you can see, Akshay is a full one-stop solution to all your needs. He's got his cars, he's got the B2B operator, and he's got a restaurant and a beach cafe for your customers. Finally, as they say, if it is Andaman's, it must be Faraway Tree. Simple answer. So like they say, Andaman, Faraway Tree. That's the only thing you need to know. And that's it from me. As I say, thank you very much from BTB Webinars for joining us with me. And without further ado, I'll hand over to Akshay from Faraway Tree to take you through the rest of the webinar.
So thank you so much all for joining in, and thank you Nikhil and TravTalk for considering Faraway Tree as the app partner for this wonderful webinar. I don't want to go on too much about Faraway Tree because I hope we've already worked with most of you. If not, we look forward to that opportunity. I'll just quickly brief why did we do this webinar, because I really feel destination knowledge is something that we all should try to develop during this COVID time, because things are going to improve sooner or later, and let's be ready with a bang. This presentation has been built with a lot of effort, lot of passion by the team with me today to make sure that you can not only just have a normal presentation, but also get a feel of the destination. Remember, we are your partners. You are our sales office. You know, our job is, we only know Andaman. That's the only thing we understand, and that's the only thing we do. We want to give this knowledge firsthand so that you can educate your customers and make sure that they have a fantastic trip to Andaman. So without any delay, I would like to dive straight into the beauty of these magical Andaman Islands. Harsh, let's begin this. So this is just something about me. You know, I love the Andamans, and the only thing that I love, I hope my wife's not hearing me. So, you know, I feel it's so important when we call ourselves an operator and we are asking for your we are asking for your trust. So there's no point I call myself an operator if I don't have the equipment and the tools to make sure that I can deliver to your customer. So that is why fairly early on, we invested in our own cars, both at Port Blair and Havelock, and also a very large team, both at Port Blair and Havelock. The reason being so that if your customer has a fantastic experience in Andaman, he will book through you to some other place. And more than that, you will come back to us with your next customer. We believe if we can take care of your customer, you will grow, and so will we. So we look forward to growing with you. So these are our cars, all neat, clean, drivers in uniform. Now we are Corona ready also, which we will talk about at the end. You know, now we come to the question of why Faraway Tree. You know, there's so many people in the market. Why not? And absolutely, you're right with that question. So I just wanted to answer that we actually are purely passionate, and not just me, Mr. Akshay Shah, Mr. Shiva, Harsh, our entire team. We love what we do. Not only do we love, our biggest reward is seeing a happy customer. So we're actually the first company that has also started video feedback. Some of you who have worked with us would know this, that we send you the video feedback. So our job is to make sure that your customer has a memorable, wholesome experience of these magical islands, and having our own fleet, having our dedicated team is a value add-on. But the most important quality of Faraway Tree, we love the Andaman Islands, and we want to show these islands with love to your guests. So let's now understand where Andaman is, and let's dive straight into what Andaman Islands are about. So Andaman Islands are a union territory. It's around 2 hours by flight from Chennai, Calcutta. So it's actually a group of islands. It's nearer to Thailand than to mainland India, just so that you can figure out geographically. Also, it is a group of 572 islands. Yes, I'd like to repeat, 572 islands, out of which only 38 are inhabited. So sitting wherever you are, whichever part of the country, you can imagine when you're looking at Andaman, you're imagining forest, beaches, and nature. That's about the most original beauty you will find in terms of flora and fauna which Andaman Nicobar have to offer. I'd also like to tell you, before we dive into this presentation, that today our life has come so busy. There is actually a group of islands called North Sentinel, where there are the only tribes left in the world. I will repeat, only tribe left in the world who have never been made human contact with, and they do not look like us. They are pure Negreto. So if you look at them and you look at an African type, that is the same. So it's amazing how unique these islands are, and it's also amazing how less we know about these islands. So let's dive straight to learn more about these magical islands.
Thank you, Akshay sir. I would like to take this opportunity to invite Mr. Nikhil to make live the first question of the poll now. Thank you.
Perfect, thanks. So just to let you know, everyone, thanks Akshay, thanks Harsh. The first poll should be popping up on your screen on the bottom right-hand side. So the first poll question is, have you ever visited Andamans? And we can see about 24%, 25% rather, you have said yes, and 75% of you, or 74% of you now have said no. So I think that's a very encouraging sign, everyone, so that you can see 1/4 of you have actually visited Andaman, and the rest 3/4 are learning first time about it. So thank you very much. So with that, I'll hand back over to Akshay.
Super. Harsh, I think it's. Can you just play again? Okay. So, it's important also to understand. Okay. So I think we're just going to restart. We had some problem. Okay, great. Sorry for this. Just few minutes. Harsh will come on the particular slide. We may have this disturbance because of the network issue, so look forward to your patience and support. Harsh, it's again frozen, I think. For me. Okay. So these are the best way to reach Andaman is by airline. No problem, Harsh, will continue. We don't consider the ship at all because it takes 3 to 4 days and it's not something that is comfortable. It's like a second class train. So the only way to visit Andaman Islands is by flight in terms of comfort and safety. So as I said at the start, we are trying to make this as fun, as informative as we can for you. So we are going to be covering the main islands that there are to visit in Andamans, which is Port Blair, Havelock, Neil and Diglipur. This is the ferry connectivity. So from Port Blair, you go to Havelock. From Havelock, then you proceed to Neil Island. And then you take the ferry from Neil Island, continuing to Port Blair. Now these are 3 islands are connected by sea, but from Port Blair, you can also go to Baratang by road, which is 3 hours from Port Blair city. And then if you want to go up north, which is Diglipur, it is again connected by road from Port Blair, which is another 12 hours from Port Blair city. So this kind of gives you an idea of how each island is connected with each other and how one can reach it. Now, these are the places to visit in Port Blair, but I'll repeat, these are not the most important places. This is just so that you're well informed of what places one can visit. In Havelock, as you know, it's mainly about beaches. So you've got the 3 beautiful beaches to visit. Then you have Neil Island, which is again a rural setup where one can enjoy the beaches. And there are again 4 beaches to visit there. In Diglipur, which is further up north, connected by road, you have the 3 beaches which one can visit, and Saddle Peak, which is the highest trekking point in Andaman. So in order to give you a real experience, what we have done is we have created a 6-night itinerary for all of you. And this itinerary covers 3 nights Port Blair, 2 nights Havelock, and 1 night Neil. So this is going to help you get a wholesome experience of the destination.
Thank you, Akshay sir. So at this point, I would like to request Mr. Nikhil to go live with the poll, second and the third poll question, please.
Everyone, I just realized I'm on mute. So poll number 2 should be coming up on your screen now. The poll is: have you actively suggested your guest to visit Andaman Islands? Question number options are yes and no. So as we can see, about 90% of you have said yes, and 9% of you have said no. So that's very, again, encouraging signs, and hopefully after this you'll learn more about it and you can give a better itinerary. Poll 3 should also be popping up on your screen now, which is: how many packages have you sent to Andamans in the recent past? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or more than 10? So I think one of the most encouraging signs, Akshay, is that about 40% of people are saying more than 10. So the people who are selling, clearly the people who are selling Andaman here who joined us, clearly they're really selling it very actively, and so which is very good to hear.
Fantastic.
So with that, I'll end the poll and I'll hand back over to Akshay.
Great. So let's go straight and understand what is the 6-night itinerary that we're covering and what all will it include. So as I said, it's a 3-to-1 itinerary: 3-night Port Blair, 2-night Havelock, 1-night Neil. Now this is the 6-night itinerary. So day 1 is going to be Cellular Jail Light and Sound Show, which is a must. On day 2, we're going to be taking you through 3 options. First option, trip to North Bay Ross. Second option, trip to Baratang. Third option, trip to Mahatma Gandhi National Park. Day 3, the customer goes from Port Blair to Havelock, visits Radhanagar Beach. Day 4, we take him to Elephant Beach, which is a must. Day 5, the customer checks out, goes from Havelock to Neil Island. And day 6, he comes back from Neil to Port Blair while visiting the 3 beach visit. And day 7 is his departure. So we will take each day in detail. So this is the customer landing into Port Blair Airport. So this is going to give you a real feel of what the customer is going to expect on arrival. He lands, he has to collect his luggage, and our person is waiting at the exit of the airport with his name on a placard. Once we meet and greet him, we take him and seat him to the waiting car, and then proceed to check them into the hotel. And then at 3 o'clock that day, we again pick them up and take them to Cellular Jail, where our tour manager is waiting at the exit, who will then proceed to give the entry tickets, and then they proceed to enter Cellular Jail. So now the customer reaches Cellular Jail. He begins his visit at 3 o'clock. This is the entrance of Cellular Jail. They visit the Veer Savarkar cell, where he lived in solitary confinement for 10 years. It is a must visit for any Indian. And then you can go on top, explore Cellular Jail, where you get beautiful views of Ross Island one way and North Bay one way, a great photography point. Then people have to come out. I repeat, they come out, they go to the park area, which is opposite Cellular Jail. They have to spend half an hour here before they re-enter for the Light and Sound Show. The Light and Sound Show is a 45-minute show. Again, our person waits to get them in, and once they get over, we take them to the waiting cars and then drop them to the hotel. So let's understand the highlights of Cellular Jail. I think everyone knows about Cellular Jail. The Sound and Light Show is basically in a very different and unique way of telling about the struggles that the prisoners have had from the eye of a peepal tree. Harsh? Yeah. So now let's go to day 2. So we finished day 1. Now day 2, we said there are 3 options. So we're going to talk about all 3 options. Day 1 is option 1, trip to North Bay and Ross. For this, the customer has to begin early morning. So he leaves at 8 o'clock. He travels to the water sports complex, which you can see in your screen here. Then they have to take sharing boats. Please remember, these are sharing boats like you can see on the screen. And then after that, they proceed to North Bay. North Bay is famous for its water sports. So the guest has now reached water sports complex. He alights, he explores a bit. If he wants to do water sports like snorkeling, diving, boat ride, dolphin boat ride, he can do all these activities. He's given around 3 hours to spend here, after which he begins his journey to Ross Island. Now, Ross Island is basically known for its history and nature. So this was the capital of the British. Now it's in ruins. So the customer has to walk around exploring all the ruins. This was the church. You can see all the trees are holding the walls together. This was the troop barrack. This was the commissioner bungalow. Now you can imagine what it is. It's nothing. And then you have one guide called Anuradha, who is the only guide authorized there. But since she's a senior citizen, she may not be always there. You have deers, peacock, all these wonderful natural animals. And then the customer begins his journey back. Our tour manager picks him up and drops him to the hotel. Harsh, is it freezing for you? Okay.
It's on the highlights page.
Okay. So this is the highlight of North Bay. Just to quickly tell you, North Bay is popular for its water sports, and Ross Island is beautiful for its history, nature, and photography. Now, option 2 that we're going to talk about, trip to Baratang. Now, Baratang is a long day trip. It's recommended for everyone who wants to be busy from morning to evening. The customer has to leave 4 o'clock early in the morning. So this is the customer leaving at 4 o'clock. He leaves for a place called Jirkatang. Then there's a convoy system. You can see the gate in front. All the cars have to stand in a line. Then the permit has to be taken out. You also get some hot breakfast over there. Here the permit is being filled. After the permit is filled, the convoy opens at 6:30. So the first car has a police person and the last car has a police person. You're not allowed to stop or take any photos. Once you reach the other side, all the customers have to board a vehicle ferry, go across, which is a 10-minute ride to Baratang. From there, they have to take sharing boats again and take a beautiful 20-minute boat ride, crossing through some spectacular mangroves. And then they begin their trek to Limestone Cave. The same boat person organizes the trek. He takes them en route. They can have Nibu Pani, they can relax. Then this is the Limestone Cave. And then they have to walk back, take the same sharing boat, and then begin their trip back to the jetty, from where they will take the vehicle ferry back to Port Blair. Now there is an option of mud volcano also. This is the boat, they're now heading back. Now this is the mud volcano. Now what happens, our job is to bring in value to you. So it is not just to suggest anything for the sake of it. So that is why if you see, we give optional visit to mud volcano. The reason being, by this time, it's 12 o'clock. It's really hot in Andaman. Then the customer, if he wants to go to mud volcano, has to take a sharing car, take another 20-minute car ride, which is non-AC, and then he has to climb up, and at the end of it, he gets to see a very average sight. So most of the customers tell us mud volcano is a waste of their time. So that is why we do not recommend it. But if you want, we're happy to do it. Harsh, please play. So this is the customer now walking towards mud volcano. It's quite a steep climb, and this is what he gets to see. Now imagine you've traveled all the way from 4 o'clock in the morning and we show you this. So not many people enjoy it, and hence, as partners, our job is to bring in value. Now the customer comes back from Baratang. After the vehicle ferry, he sits in his car and begins the same 3-hour ride back to his hotel. That is end of day 2 about Baratang. So Baratang is a full day trip. If someone wants nature and beaches, please don't suggest Baratang. But if someone wants to have a full day excursion, it is a perfect option for your customers.
Thank you, Akshay sir. At this point, I would like to request Mr. Nikhil to please proceed with the 4th and 5th question of the poll for today. Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you very much. So So you should see, guys, poll number 4 coming up on your screen now. The question is, how many of you have not given any business for Andamans because you did not find a reliable tour operator? So I hope after this the answer is no, because you now know Faraway Tree. But about 25% of you are saying this statement is true, and 75% are not saying not true. So it just shows how much there is still a bit of work to be done in terms of Andaman and educating. And the fifth poll, guys, for you today, which will be popping up is sorry, I just opened the wrong poll. So the poll that's now popping up on your screen, the fifth poll is: do you think it adds value that Faraway Tree have their own fleet of cars at Port Blair and Havelock? Like I said, guys, please answer at the bottom right when the poll pops up for you, so that we can then assess the answers together. So as you can see, about 88% of you have said true, and it makes sense. So that's wonderful to hear. Now back over to you, Akshay.
Okay, super Harsh. Let's continue, and thank you for taking out the time to be a part of the poll. Means a lot to us. Now let's come to option 3, day 3. Now the reason why we have kept this third option is because the permit is not easy to get, and hence we do not honestly recommend this upfront. But yet it's a beautiful trip. So let's dive straight into option 3, which is about Mahatma Gandhi National Park. A lot of you are selling this as Jolly Boy trip. Please note, it is not Jolly Boy. It is Jolly Boy or Redskin. So this is the trip that the customer has to take from Port Blair. It's around a 45-minute ride. And once he reaches there, there's the interpretation center where the customer can learn about the flora and fauna. And then, yeah, so this is, now the customer will be proceeding with the permit that we got towards sharing boats. Now these boats are bigger capacity. They are bigger than the smaller boats that were there before, which can take around 150 people. This is the boat. Now they're seated in, they have to wear life jacket. Then they proceed to Jolly Boy or Redskin, whichever permit is got. This is Jolly Boy. So this is the uninhabited island. This is like a Robinson Crusoe excursion, where the customer, there are no water sports here except snorkeling, and you can see around you beautiful, beautiful waters, uninhabited island. The customer spends 3 hours here. He could do a glass bottom boat ride or snorkeling at extra direct payment. So this is the glass bottom boat ride. If any of you have wondered what it is, while sitting in the boat, you can see the beautiful flora fauna down. And then the customer, after 3 hours, around 1:30, begins his trip back, has lunch, and then comes back to his hotel. So this is end of option 3 on day 2. So with this, we have discussed all the 3 options that someone can consider on day 2. So the highlights of Mahatma Gandhi National Park are, one important thing is that please note, it is not Jolly Boy Island. A lot of you are selling it as Jolly Boy Island. It is Mahatma Gandhi National Park. It could be Jolly Boy or Redskin, which is decided by the Forest Department. The permits are difficult to get, and that's why we don't recommend Mahatma Gandhi National Park. Now let's proceed to the next exciting day where the customer begins his trip to Havelock. So this is day 3. The customer is going to be going by the morning or afternoon ferry to Havelock. So the customer has his breakfast, checks out. This is the place where he gets down. He boards the passenger hall. Now he's proceeding to board the waiting ferry. We generally use Macruz because Macruz is very comfortable, fully air conditioned. This is the interior of Macruz. This is the premium seat. By default, we book premium seat for all customers. Then you have a cafeteria also there. This is the deluxe, which is 1 level higher. And then in case you have a VVIP who wants privacy, there is also the Royal. The Royal is a coupe of 8 seats, but to be honest, I prefer the deluxe or the premium seats. The customer, this is Green Ocean. Now Green Ocean takes 2.5 hours, whereas Macruz takes 1.5 hours. As you can see, the quality of Green Ocean is slightly lower than Macruz, but the most important thing, it takes 2.5 hours versus 1.5 hours of Macruz. This is the government ferry, which we do not suggest for anyone. This is Macruz now reaching Havelock. After the customer alights, he has to collect his luggage. And then our person is waiting at the exit, who will then meet and greet and sit them to their waiting car. Now, in the evening at 3 o'clock, he begins his trip to Radhanagar Beach. Now, Radhanagar Beach is a 2-kilometer white sand beach, as you can see in this video here. You know, great for swimming. You've got local shops. You've got wash and change facility. You can enjoy some local snacks, play around. But the most beautiful thing is the sunset. So everyone enjoys the sunset, then they proceed back to the waiting car to drop back to the hotel. That is end of day 3. As you can see, there's no signal on Havelock Road. So quick highlight, we recommend only Macruz, that to base category at the stage of quotation, because a lot of people are price sensitive. If you want higher category, please let us know. The time taken between Port Blair to Havelock is 1.5 hours, and Green Ocean Government Ferry takes 2.5 hours. So in our opinion, the hands down winner is Macruz. Radhanagar Beach is a beautiful must visit for any tourist visiting Andamans. Now let's see what the customer does on day 4. Now I'd also like to educate you that, keep playing Harsh. I'd also like to educate you that some of you leave this optional. Please don't leave it optional, because this is a must visit. So the customer comes back to the jetty, he has to fill up a form. Our tour manager helps them fill up a form. Then they take the sharing boats like this. Remember, these are not private boats, these are sharing boats. After which he begins a 30 to 45 minute beautiful boat ride to Elephant Beach. Please remember, it is not Elephanta Island, it is Elephant Beach, which is a part of Havelock. You can do water sports like snorkeling, sea walk, banana boat ride. This is the snorkeling visual that you will get to see when you are at Elephant Beach. Beautiful marine life, very exciting for the tourists. He spends around 3 hours here, and then they come back to the jetty, where our person is waiting to drop them back to the hotel. So this is the end of Elephant Beach trip. Again, it's a beautiful trip. It's a must visit. You know, a lot of people, in order to keep the price down, in small ride optional. No point giving it optional. Your customer is going to do it, so might as well include it. Now, you know, when the customer comes back from Elephant Beach, Harsh, you can play. Once the customer comes back from Elephant Beach, he's hungry, right? All hotels serve the same type of food, 1 dal, 2 vegetable, Indian food. There is a restaurant called Something Different, which is ranked #1 on TripAdvisor.com also. It's a multi-cuisine restaurant. It's got a bar, you can have a chilled beer and the view. You have the beach in front. So this is a perfect place to give as an option for your customer. If you have a group, it's a perfect place for a group. Beautiful views, and you've got Indian, Chinese, Conti, whatever you'd like. And also Priyanka Chopra, Farhan Akhtar, Zaira Wasim visited this, and they loved it during the visit shoot of Sky's Pick. These are the stars at Something Different. That's Priyanka Chopra, that's Farhan Akhtar. These are some of the reviews of Something Different. As I said, don't go there just because I am saying. This is truly the best restaurant when it comes to Havelock. Now let's understand what a customer does on day 5. This is the day he gets up, he proceeds to Neil Island by Macruz. So he's come out, he's boarding the ferry, waiting ferry to go to Neil Island. It's from Havelock to Neil is a 1 hour ride. As you can see, it's again very comfortable. The customer sits down and he reaches Neil Island. What is beautiful with Neil Island is the entry. Like you will see, the waters are beautiful. Look at the colors of the water, and it just, you know, it opens up the customer's eyes. Then our person is waiting at the exit of the gate, who will then meet them and drop them to the hotel. Day 1, we generally don't give anything because we don't know what ferry they're taking. Now, the next day which is day 6, he's going to go from the checkout, do the 3 beach visit, and then come back to Port Blair. So he's proceeding to Bharatpur Beach. This is Bharatpur Beach. It's famous for its glass bottom boat ride, jet ski, scuba diving, snorkeling. This is Bharatpur Beach. This is Lakshmanpur Beach, beautiful, lovely cove. One side you have Havelock, one side you have Port Blair. Very interesting. Natural bridge is fantastic. You can only do this when it's low tide. This is the natural formation. The customer has to be careful, and then he gets back to the jetty, boards the waiting Makroos and comes back to Port Blair. Our person is waiting at the exit and drops him off to the hotel. This is end of day 6. So I just like to tell one thing about Natural Bridge. Natural Bridge we do not recommend for senior citizens because it can only be done during low tide. Now you may wonder why only during low tide, because when it's high tide, the rock is covered. So you can't walk to the rock. Only when it's low tide you can walk. But what happens then is that it becomes slippery. So you must wear comfort clothing, and if you have walking problem, we do not recommend the same. Now, some of you may ask, is a day trip to Neil possible? Absolutely. We suggest this from Havelock. The customer checks out from Havelock. He goes by the morning ferry to Neil. He spends 3 hours, visits 3 beaches, comes back and returns by the evening ferry. So overnight stay is not necessary. And we also don't recommend, because, check out your luggage, not many customers will enjoy that. And again, we leave this to the customer. So all you have to do is give this information and let them decide. We are here to execute. Now, you know what? Finally, everything that we're doing, why are we doing it? We're doing it to make sure that the customer is happy. The customer should go back with memories of a lifetime. He should say, boss, we loved it. And that is why we make sure that all customer feedback is captured, shared to you. And when the guest is going, we give him a small photo saying amazing Andamans at checkout as a surprise. We do not tell the customer about this, and believe me, this makes him so happy. And we have 100% ratio of collecting feedback. So before your customer reaches back home, you will get the customer feedback.
We came from Hyderabad. We booked this Andaman trip.
So this is some of the customer feedback. Just hear it and let's hear what they have to say.
Cooperative, we are on time. I have booked the tour for Andaman from Sri Maharaja Tours and Travels.
I hope all of you can hear this, because this is what we work for.
We would recommend everyone ki sab log Andaman aaye hain.
From an amazing trip with 3A Travelers, and I booked my tour with them. I would recommend. They are really good, and the kind of service.
Getting a satisfied customer is better than any reward we ever
We
get.
came here for the corporate
And
talk
we are so
from
proud of
Microsoft. It was a nice experience. It was managed by Faraway Tree, so the travel
I've also learned
provided
it's the
was very
small
good.
things that make a big difference. And we make sure that we take care of your customer as a family who visits these islands. And that is why I have a very passionate team to make sure that the same is done on ground and in our query stage when you're
Hi,
interacting with
this is
them.
Imtiaz Ali. Me and my family had a
This is
splendid trip
Imtiaz
in the
Ali, the famous
Andamans.
Bollywood director. We
The
took care of
Faraway
his
Tree
whole family for a
has made this
period of 6
experience
nights.
truly unforgettable.
And this is what he has to say.
They have taken care of so much, all the small nitty-gritties to the big decisions to be taken, all the time crunches, and handling a family. We were some 17, the whole thing like it was child's play. I would highly recommend any tourist who's coming over here to consult with a Faraway Tree. We highly recommend people to come to the Andamans. It's a great pleasure to be here with limited connectivity especially, and Faraway Tree is highly recommended.
Sorry, we didn't want to cut his what he had to say, so we kept the whole thing. Then next day we depart the guest with fond memories to the airport, where he goes back with lots of memories. Now I would request all of you who are still here, please do not sign out, because the quiz is going to be on the basis of which someone will get a prize, and also we are going to email all the people who take part in the quiz certificate. Harsh, why is the presentation gone?
Please stop, sir. It automatically went off.
Okay. Can you just come to that particular slide? Sorry for that. We're just having some problems, but we'll quickly come back to where we stopped. So this is the departure. Harsh, you can play from here. So the customer's gone back with great memories and another successful tour completed. This could be you once we have the poll. Now, a lot of people ask about water sports. Where all can water sports be done? So this is just to give you an idea. In Port Blair, it's done at North Bay, Carbons Cove Beach and Jolly Boy. These are the activities that can be done of each of these places. Then at Havelock, you have, of course, Elephant Beach. But diving is done at beach number 2. This is something to remember. Diving does not happen at Elephant Beach. At Neil Island, it is only Bharatpur Beach where a guest could do activities, but it's generally already done it, so it doesn't matter. Now, one important question, what should the customer do? Should you do sea walk or diving? So this is some of the points about sea walk. This is what one can do when they do sea walk, which is basically they go down, they're in a limited area. And scuba diving is when they wear the whole gear and they actually go underwater swimming like a fish. So to be honest, the honest comparison is sea walk is like driving an Activa and scuba diving is like driving a Royal Enfield. So I'm sure most of you would like to drive a Royal Enfield, and that's why we recommend scuba diving, as it's a more real activity. You actually feel like a fish and you're swimming along under the water like you can see in the video behind. Now, this is something I will take 2 seconds. Hotels. Please, please, please do not sell Andamans based on star categories. Our job is to manage the expectation. And moment you say 4-star, 5-star, the customer creates a price point. He says, oh, I'm paying 12,000 for a hotel. In Bombay at Taj, I was paying 10,000. So it must be better than that. There are no star hotels in Andaman. We have categorized based on service, comfort, and price as standard, deluxe value pack, deluxe, luxury 1, and luxury 2. We don't want to go into this because this would become monotonous. So let's go straight into the other destinations that a customer can experience in Andaman. So all of you are aware of this, but what we wanted to tell you was in Andaman, the hotels don't have an elaborate buffet. So to be honest, we recommend CP plan. MAP and AP we only recommend for group, and the reason being you will get 1 dal, 2 vegetables, 1 chicken or fish, rice, salad, papad, and 1 sweet dish. And they charge you 550 to 1,000 rupees. It's a waste of money. I repeat, our job is to bring in value to you. If you can save money and if your customer can save money and get a better value, we're happier. So we recommend CP plan, and it is a group. Then you can do MAP, AP. Also, a lot of people who want Jain food, please book only CP plan because it is not served from the buffet and they'll give you only 1 dal and sabzi. You might as well pay a la carte, which will be cheaper. Now, so you are going to hear about some other sightseeing places. You may come to me and say, oh, Akshay, but you didn't speak about Carbons Cove, you didn't speak about Samudrika, you didn't speak about this. Now, again, our job is to bring in value. So we're not going to stop here, Harsh, you can keep playing. This is Carbons Cove Beach. Now, tell me one thing, if you're coming all the way to Andaman, you don't want to see a brown beach water. So that is why we don't recommend it. Now, Chirita Tapu is from Port Blair, 45 minutes away. It's called the Sunset Point. 5:30, you have to leave it. This is the beach there. This is the water in front. Now, you get better sunset at Havelock. So why do you want to do Chirita Tapu? Vandoor Beach is a beautiful beach. This is 45 minutes again from Port Blair. But you already have the best beach and this is not a swimming beach because of crocodiles. So why do you want to take them to Vandoor? Mount Harriet is the second highest point. It's a nice 3-hour drive going up. But once you go up there, there's nothing much to see. So again, if a customer has extra time in Port Blair, we can, suppose he wants to stay 3 nights in Port Blair or 4 nights. Of course, we can give him, but we don't recommend. Same way you have local sightseeing, Chatham Sawmill, Forest Museum. Chatham Sawmill was once the largest sawmill in Asia. Now it's defunct. So this is a walk-in of Chatham Sawmill. Nothing exciting. Most of the time wood is not being cut. There is a small forest museum out there. Right? There's a Samudrika Naval Marine Museum. Again, I'm not saying these are bad, but it doesn't bring value. So better is let the customer reduce his stay rather than stay 1 extra night in Port Blair to see all this. He's not going to come back to you and say, wow, what a museum I went to. Anthropological Museum, it's fantastic, but again, there's no guide system. So what happens? A customer goes, 10 minutes, he comes out. So that's why we don't recommend. If it's a group, if I am there or my team is there, we take them personally. But for every guest, we can't do that. And hence we don't recommend local sightseeing. Fishery Museum, same thing. This is a walk-in, walk-out. Again, if someone has time, we're happy to do it. There is also a private museum called Kalapani Museum, which is very good. It's very informative. If the customer has time, this is a 2-hour visit. You can include this either on date 1 or when the customer is going to Havelock, if he's going by afternoon ferry. This is worth a visit if he has the time. Then at Havelock, you will hear of Kala Patthar. Now, Kala Patthar is just another rocky beach. Yes, we can give it, but the price of the package will increase. And a lot of people, what happens, they anyhow hire two-wheelers and roam around. So this is a beach that they visit on their own. It's a 1-hour visit at the maximum. Then at Neil Island, there's Sitapur Beach, but this is a sunrise beach. Remember, sun rises early in the morning and sun sets by 5:30. So Sitapur Beach, you have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning if you want to see the sunrise, which obviously no customer will want to get up so early in the morning. Up north, which I told you, Diglipur, this is beautiful. If the customer has time, you should consider it. But remember, you need minimum 2 nights for Diglipur. There is no 1 night. It takes 12 hours just to reach Diglipur. This is Rawson Smith Island. It's 2 islands joined together by a sandbar. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, this brings us to the end of the webinar. But before we go and we answer your questions and you attend the quiz, please don't forget to attend the quiz. There is a big free prize waiting for one of you. So how should I decide how many nights in each place? I've already told you from this webinar, 3 nights Port Blair, 2 night Havelock, and 1 night Port Blair is fantastic. You could even do different combinations based on your customer preference and time. Is Andaman a luxury destination? Well, the answer is it's a luxury destination, but not in terms of the hotels. The place is luxury, but the hotels are not. What are the most important sites to visit? We already mentioned this to you. What all islands? We've already mentioned. Are there any star category in hotels in Andaman? Absolutely not, except Taj, which is a 5-star, and Lemon Tree, which is an official 4-star in Port Blair. No other hotel is star category at all. What is the suggested meal plan? If it's less than 6 people, please book CP plan. They will save money and they will be happier with the food they order. Can I land and go to same day to Havelock? Yes, there is a ferry that leaves at 2 o'clock. So the customer is landing before 12. He can land and go straight to Havelock the same day. Cuisines. Well, the hotels give you mainly Indian only. Restaurants do serve Indian, Chinese, and continental. Budget for the package. We have no answer for this. Reason being, it depends on the number of nights, the category of your hotel. So shoot us a mail and we will reply back to you in 45 minutes. That's my guarantee. What are the honeymoon add-ons? So Andaman, you can do a flower bed decoration, which is around 2,500, very average. You can do a candlelight dinner for 3,500. You can give a cake on arrival. These are the few things that you can give as an add-on for a honeymoon couple. Is Andaman a MICE destination? Yes, I hope some of you are here who we've done the MICE for, but it's a beautiful destination. Again, the key lies in understanding your corporate requirement and creating something as per their requirement. What items can I buy? You get the standard shell items, some wooden items, but is it like the highlight? Absolutely not. But if the customer wants, there are a lot of souvenir shops in Port Blair from where a customer can do his shopping. So I hope with this we've answered most of your questions, and my colleague Shiva will now shoot out all the questions. But before that, are we ready to handle your guest in the new normal? Let's dive straight to see this. This is how we greet all our customers. This is how the new normal will be for Faraway Treat. We're seeing his Arogya app. And remember, we can do this because we have our own fleet. And that is why I work with the reliable operator only. If I have to outsource the car, how will I ensure the standard is maintained? Each car has a pressure pump. We sanitize the cars after every trip. We give a sanitizer bottle and a face mask free to every customer on arrival. This is the new normal. All luggage is sanitized. We put a luggage tag and then we put it in the car and then check them into the hotel. Each car has a coronavirus document which tells the guest about social distancing and how to be safe. So with this, I would like to thank all of you for being an amazing audience. I would like to thank Nikhil and my entire team for having been with us through this, for making this presentation possible. And now, Shiva, if we can dive straight into the questions.
Thank you, sir. I would just like to interrupt before
Yeah.
Shiva starts the question. I'd like to request Mr. Nikhil to just go on live with the last question for the poll today.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect. 1 second. I will.
This is very important, the poll. So please answer.
So, firstly, I would have to say, wow. All I would like to say is, wow. Okay, what a presentation. What a product. I think everyone would love to visit Andaman now. So, the question that is popping up on your screen, everyone, is after this presentation, would you be comfortable to partner with Faraway Tree to handle your esteemed guests in Andaman, obviously? And 100% of you have said yes. So I think, Akshay, that is mission accomplished. 100% of people have said yes. And that's just testament to your team, your presentation, and what a good reputation and a brand that Faraway Tree has developed in India.
Super. Shiva, would you like to shoot the questions quickly?
Yes, sir. Sir, first question, Mr. Saurabh Jain ka. Hi, greetings from Sai Tours and Travels, Guwahati. I personally want to visit Andaman and want to know in total how many nights I need to cover the same. I want to cover the maximum of Andaman.
Well, if you're maximum, sir, then we would recommend 8 nights so that you can cover Diglipur also. Otherwise, 5 to 6 nights is perfect.
Next, Mr. Koshika, sir. What best mode to take from Kochi to Andaman?
Kochi, sir, is flight. You will have to fly from Kochi to Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and Chennai to Port Blair.
Next, what package rates you have for family full package for short visit?
So as I said, we don't have a fixed rate, depends on the hotel, number of nights, but don't worry, we are very, very competitive and we are a pure B2B operator.
When will the travel start after COVID-19?
So sir, we've already got our first booking for October 22nd. So we are hoping from October everything will be open, but to be safe side, we're not taking booking before 15 September.
Next, Mr. Priyanka, sir. What is the maximum capacity of the vehicles?
The vehicle, we have Xylos, so they are 6+1, 7-seater, and we have Tempos also, which is a 17-seater, and we have a 26-seater Tempo also.
Next, Sonia Jika, sir. Can we travel to North Sentinel? Are the travels open to people visit that place?
No, ma'am. The last person who tried was killed with an arrow. So no going to North Sentinel. You will be put in jail. It is a non-bailable offense. So don't even try it.
Next, Koshi Jika, sir. Why did Gandhi go to Port Blair?
Gandhi never went to Port Blair, sir. We've got a Gandhi statue there in a Gandhi circle. Gandhiji never come, but Netaji Subhash Bose, Chandra Bose had come there in 1945.
Next, Koshi Jika, sir. This is very interesting if you have take us holiday trips to next levels. Next, Bithu Jika, sir. Never got the competitive package code for Andaman.
Sir, well, competitive is definitive. I mean, are you saying cheapest or are you saying competitive? For competitive, we are there, and believe me, try us once. You will be surprised how competitive we are.
Next, will you be sending us the itinerary on mail, or should I take a screenshot, Prithesh ji, sir?
No, don't worry. We will send whatever you want. This will be on our YouTube also, so you can keep this for future reference also.
Next, Jika, sir. So, day of sightseeing before check-in.
They can do sightseeing. They can do cellular jail. We can take them to a veg restaurant. There is Flag Point. We can do sightseeing on day one also, depending what time the flight is landing.
Sanjay Jika, sir. What time light and sound show begin?
So light and sound show starts at 5:45. There are 3 shows, and so the guest has to come out of cellular jail by 5. So there's a waiting of half an hour.
How far is the North Bay Island from city hotels?
So North Bay is by boat. It's a 10-minute boat ride from Water Sports Complex, and Water Sports Complex to any hotel is 10 to 15 minutes maximum.
Next, Vinay Jika, sir. Why is Ross Island called Netaji Dweep?
Well, that is thanks to the BJP government now. They have renamed all these islands after the freedom fighters. That's why it is given this name now. We still call it Ross Island.
Next, Sudha Jika, sir. Do the guests have to take tickets for visit Sound on Light show in evening or only one?
No, so this is done on the spot. We obviously have our own arrangement. So our tour manager will hand it over to them before they enter the light and sound show.
Next, Mehul Jika, sir. It is mandatory to take a sharing boats, or can we hire exclusive boat?
So you can take exclusive, sir. But problem with that is you have to pay for all 12 people. So if the customer is a VIP or specifically wants private, we can arrange the same.
जी next Alka Jeka sir. Hi, how much walking in limestone caves?
So limestone cave is 1 kilometer. It's not a very up and down. It's very flat, but it's 1 kilometer walking from the jetty till the limestone cave. That's 1 kilometer.
जी next Charlie Jeka sir. Mud volcano optional. How much to pay?
So mud volcano optional is I think 200 to 300 per person for that car ride.
जी next Rina Jeka sir. How long is the vehicle ferry ride for Baratang?
It's around 8 to 10 minutes.
जी next Arpit ji. Connection problem still persists with everyone or it is just with me? Sorry, वो
Okay.
network का बोल रहा सर जी.
Okay.
KT Singh जी का है sir. How about the guides? Are they expert and government registered?
No, sir. They in cellular jail they are government registered, but everywhere else they are just normal guides. There is no government certified guides.
जी. Parul जी का है sir. Can all this be done privately? MG National Park है sir.
No, not privately. MG National Park is per seat only, and the permit is you can't take a private boat and go to MG National Park.
जी. Next Saurabh जी का है. Does customer have choice between Jollyboy and Redskin?
No, it's decided by the forest department. That's why we say always sell it as MG National Park trip, because moment you say Jolly Boy, it could turn out to be Redskin, which is not in our control.
जी. Yatish जी का है sir. Any stay option at Jollyboy Island?
No, sir. Jolly Boy is uninhabited island. No one can stay there.
Kavya ji ka sir. So what is Redskin Island like?
Redskin is same like Jolly Boy, but to be honest, Jolly Boy is slightly more beautiful.
Next Vishal ji ka sir. Guests can still visit MG National Park even if they don't get permit to Jolly Boy or Redskin.
No, they can't. They can't. They can only go to Vandoor. They can't go to Jolly Boy or Redskin.
जी. Next Vinod ji ka sir. What is the cost difference between those two fares? This just for our knowledge. As you are aware, customers are always would like to say.
Which fare?
एक मिनट सर. Questions कब आया? तो Jolly Boy Redskin का है सर.
Okay. No, there is. It's around 1,250, which is includes the forest permit.
जी. What is the season for no government ferries to Havelock or Neil? What is the reason?
No. Because of the condition, it's a 100-seater, very badly maintained. Don't recommend it at all.
जी. Next Sonia ji ka sir. Do you think Uber luxury our client are happier to pay more for exclusive experiences, diving rare local foods, meeting our community, their own yachts or private jets?
So, unfortunately, of course, there is a Taj. We have handled very premium customers also, but we'll have to tailor make. And if you let us know the exact requirement, we can certainly put together something and create something absolutely wow, like taking a private boat, doing an island trip with lunch on the boat. All that can be arranged.
जी. What is the capacity of Macruise and ticket price approximately? Nitesh ji ka sir.
So Macruise is around a 270-seater, and the average ticket price is 1,300 for a one-way ticket.
जी. Next Vikas ji ka sir. If client need private boat, it is possible at Elephant Beach.
Yes, it can be done. Again, you have to pay for all 12 people.
The next Sandeep ji ka sir. What sort of an evening entertainment option do you have for incentive groups?
So incentive group, we do gala dinner, we do DJ nights, we can bring in a singer, we've done live band performance. So depending on the budget, we can charter a whole boat and do a dinner on a boat. So all this can be done and has been done.
Next Nina ji ka sir. Best season to go to Andamans.
So Andaman, very good question. October is start of season, but the best months, October, November, December till March is the good season. But the best months are Jan, Feb, March, April. These are the best months in terms of the sun and the calm seas. Otherwise, customers come, season starts from October onwards.
Next, Yatish ji ka sir. What is local transportation in all islands? Do we get bikes or cars for rent?
No, you don't get cars for rent. You get bikes for rent. And generally, we use Xylos at both Port Blair, Havelock, and at Neil, it depends on whatever car is available, because there are very few cars on Neil Island.
Next, Vinay ji ka sir. What are the things that everyone should consider and take care of after COVID-19?
Well, as I said, just make sure on arrival, you have to be COVID free. After that, just maintain social distancing, wear the mask that will be given, use the hand sanitizer that we will give to all guests on arrival. And just make sure that you're not touching too many surfaces and maintain distance from people.
Next, Naresh Jiga, sir. Can Andaman tour be recommended to senior citizens?
Yes, absolutely. We handle Veena World, and Veena World is only senior citizen.
Next, what about mobile networks?
So good news is mobile network is now bang on full strength. We have the undersea cable from Chennai has been connected. So by season, you will have proper city internet in Andamans.
Next, Rahul Jinalika, sir. Hi Akshay, this is Rahul and I personally know you from LPTA days. As you said, MG National Park is recommended due to issues getting permit. But trust, here comes your role to get permit 100%, having some good PR with authorities. As trust, if it is a good place, the tourists should not miss this site.
Yes, sir, that's valid. But remember, Elephant Beach is as beautiful as Jolly Boy. And the problem is, if there's a minister coming or if there's a parliamentary committee, because it's controlled by Forest Department, मेरे PR पे मैं निकाल सकता हूँ, लेकिन अगर कोई बड़ा आ गया तो no one can help out. So as long as the customer is prepared, we will 99% get it. But there is that 1% chance, and hence we would like to be upfront at the start itself.
Next, Naresh Jiga, sir. During this pandemic, with all the activities involved, how will social distancing be done?
Well, sir, to be honest, obviously these activities will get affected, and scuba diving will not, because it's already social distancing is done. And I'm sure the administration is going to come up with the SOP to maintain social distancing. I think in another 15-20 days, that SOP should be out.
Next, Gulzar Jiga, same kind of question, sir. After COVID, if the boat trip sharing with many people, what safety measures you taking for care for social distancing?
As discussed, we've told this. We're waiting for the administration to come up with the SOP, and I'm sure it will be followed in word and spirit.
Next, Ashok Dikya, sir. What is the name of your restaurant that you talked about? What kind of cuisine do you serve?
Something different. It's a multi-cuisine restaurant: Indian, Chinese, continental, seafood. We are popular for everything.
जो place पूछ रहे sir, varieties.
Havelock, sir. Havelock on beach number 2.
Next, Ashutosh Dikya, sir. Is there any other link to get in?
Link to get in? No, only.
Webinar.
Okay.
Next, how about Mice Moment? Please explain about Mice Moments.
So Mice, we have a detailed presentation on that. You can just drop us an email. We'll be happy to share the link about you. Mice is very, very different from FIT. So that's why we won't touch upon it now.
Yes, sir. Next, Shibani Jika, I thought you said Farvetry is only B2B. Then how come clients are referring to them in feedback?
No, the clients have not referred to us. They have referred to their partners. Only the Mice group has referred to us, because obviously they were interacting and our cars are there and our staff is there. So they knew it's Farvetry, but we don't do B2C at all. It's not our domain and we don't even handle it. So be rest assured.
Thank you, sir. Next, Shimantal Jika, sir. What about the safety and cleanliness in the hotel?
So most of the hotels, we work with hotels anyhow that have a standard. So all our partners are also COVID ready. They have already enforced all the standards. So we only work with hotels where we know that the safety and standard will be maintained.
Next, Abhinandan Jika, sir. Does one need to know swimming to do the scuba diving?
No, people don't need to know swimming to do scuba diving. You just have to be comfortable in water.
Also, sir, should one need PADI license for scuba diving?
PADI, no, not for the Discover Scuba. Discover can be done for anyone. If you want to do deeper dive, you need to be PADI certified.
Next, Ashish Jika, sir. What is the minimum age limit for scuba diving?
So minimum age limit is from 8 and going up to 60. Anyone can dive.
A newcomer is straight away taken for scuba diving. Do you give a small training or breathing technique is different? Ashok Jika, sir.
Yes, as mentioned, there is a training schedule for half an hour before the customer is taken for the actual dive.
Sohana Jika, sir. What type of restaurants are available in all the places?
So you have Port Blair has limited restaurants. Havelock has 3-4 good restaurants, multi-cuisine. You have a veg restaurant also. So there are enough options in Havelock.
Next, Nimesh Jika, sir. Is there any assistance provided to handle luggage, especially when transferring between islands?
Yes, so except at the jetty where our people are not allowed, everywhere else our meet and greet assistance along with luggage is provided.
जी, if you have groups, is there a possibility to travel with our own chef?
No, during season time, no one will allow a kitchen takeover. So yes, if it's off season, we can certainly consider your own chef in the kitchen.
जी, next Amit ji ka sir. Kindly advise timing of Samudrika Museum.
So Samudrika Museum is except Monday when it's shut, correct, guys?
Yes, Monday closed.
Monday it's shut. It's open from 9:30 to 5:30.
Next, Jackie ji ka sir. What will be the price for 6-night package for 2 adult and 2 kids?
The price, it depends, sir. You know, we have, for example, in this price that we're giving you 6% with Macruz. That package will be worth around 80,000.
Next, Naresh ji ka sir. What is
Hi,
the no
Nikhil.
for a group?
What, Shiva?
What is the no for a group? What is the no for a group? No.
What is that?
Can he correct? What is the no for a group?
For a group, oh, so all this we detail. I think Shiva, we'll take all these questions later. I think see people dropping out. Let's open the quiz. So Nikhil, I'd like to hand over back to you. And thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. And thank you to all the wonderful participants. Now we're going to give it back to Nikhil, who will conduct the quiz. Nikhil?
So, Guy, thank you very much. So, everyone, the poll is up now. Sorry, in the offer section, there is a link. You can go to the quiz from there. Similarly, in the chats box, I have put the quiz there. I'm putting it again. Please click on the quiz link. Answer the question. Fill in your details. Answer the questions. And as I said, one lucky winner will win a 6-night trip to Andaman, courtesy Akshay and the team. So, please do not answer here on the chat functionality the quiz questions, because we will not consider these. We'll only consider the questions that come up through the answer. So it's all fair, it's all clean. You can click on that link, as well as in the offer section, the link is there as well. You can go to link there and it'll take you straight to the quiz. So please answer as honestly as possible. Everything I promise you asked in the quiz has been covered in the last, I think, half an hour or 1 hour by Akshay and the team. So it's a very straightforward and easy quiz. Back to you, Akshay.
Okay, great. So while everyone is filling up the form, which I hope you do, because one lucky winner stands to win. Shiva, any other questions? Just go through them if they're not repeating.
Ji. 1 second, sir. Can we skip the Port Blair stay?
Yes, as mentioned, you can skip, but on last night return, you have to stay for the last night. So going, you can skip, but return, you have to stay the last night because of the ferry connectivity.
Ji. Sir, over to Akshay, sir.
Okay, great.
Just a moment. So Ms. Shreya asked, how much will it cost to visit Andamans?
Akshay, what questions we already have spoken about, don't talk about them, because this we just answered, no?
Okay. Is natural bridge suggested to visit with infants and child? The question by Dimple Kansara.
No, Dimple name for infants, no, but otherwise anyone can visit. Senior citizens, if they have walking problem, we don't recommend.
Okay, question by Kapil Chavda ji. Is there a mandatory guidelines by the government of India to visit Port Blair in wake of COVID-19, like COVID test, minimum night stay?
So as of now, there is a mandatory COVID test at Port Blair, but there's no quarantine being enforced in Port Blair as of now.
A question by Ms. Utkarsha ji. Where to do water walk and scuba diving?
So this preferably can be done at North Bay at Port Blair or at Havelock at Elephant Beach.
Yeah, question by Atul Kumar ji. Can you suggest a ferry and Bella cruise if refundable or not in case of pandemic when service is cancelled by itself?
No, so we can, you can do TSG Bella Bay from Port Blair. It happens in Port Blair. So that can be certainly considered.
Okay, question by Kuldeep ji. During the storm or flood, how do you provide ferry hotel transport for Havelock?
So what happens is we end up obviously taking care of the customer. So if the ferry gets cancelled, then they have to stay extra at Havelock, and we adjust between our guests. So we make sure that the customer doesn't pay extra. and the ferry generally accommodates whenever the ticket counter opens again. But there is inconvenience, but we can't do much about it during that period.
Okay, a question by Mr. Abhinandan ji. Why isn't much covered about Vijayanagar Beach?
So Vijayanagar Beach, all hotels are on Vijayanagar Beach. It's not a beach that people really visit. So it's there in front of the hotel, but the main island is Radhanagar.
A question by BK Modi ji. What is the process for foreign passport holder?
So there is no process. You just need a valid Indian visa. That's it.
A question by Mr. Krishnan. Any new property has come up in Andamans?
Well, sir, I don't know when you're referring to what period, but a lot of new hotels have come up. You've got Taj, you've got Sandy Waves. A lot of hotels are now there available.
Maheshwari ji, do we need to follow dress code while visiting limestone caves? Because I heard tribals get furious about few colors.
No, nothing like that. You just have to be in comfortable clothing.
A question by Ms. Toyshri Das. What if we book package now for October and September and now the situation worsens? Will you give a credit note?
So we are giving a credit note, plus we have already negotiated with the hotels for October, November, D-2, no cancellation charge, D-2.
A question by Mr. Manish ji. What are the medical facilities available in Andamans?
So Port Blair, you have a proper hospital. At Havelock, you have a primary health center. If there's a fracture or anything, it can be treated, but anything major, the customer will have to be at Port Blair. Anything more major or specific like a heart attack or some internal problem, he has to fly out to Chennai or Calcutta.
A question by Mr. Santosh. Is it safe to visit Andamans?
Absolutely. Well, in fact, right now, Andaman is the safest place.
A question by Mr. Rakesh Patel. There is one cruise in Port Blair with gala dinner and music. What is the name of the cruise?
That's called TSG Bella Besa.
Question by Ms. Rekha. Is that a client has to carry COVID certificate when they travel to Andamans?
No, so as of now, they are doing COVID testing in Port Blair itself. Mandatory, free of cost.
A question by Ms. Sania Pathak. What is the social distancing norms places for the visit?
So as mentioned already, this is something that we're waiting for the administration to launch, which they should launch in the next 10-15 days in terms of the SOP.
A question by Mr. Abhishek Chauhanji. What is the one thing differs Faraway Tree hospitality from other travel agents?
Well, besides us, I think it's the passion that we have on ground. Finally, it's the feedback. To be honest, it's finally the feedback that the customer will give you.
A question by Abhijit Tamde ji. Is there any luxury villa properties in Andamans?
Sir, you have Taj, but there's not luxury villas. But yes, you do have Taj, which has independent villas, and but that's 35,000 plus tax, but a beautiful property.
A question by Mr. Sahil. In case of bigger groups, do you have larger coaches to cater them?
So we used to do coaches, but the coaches are in a very bad condition. So now we use tempos, and that's how we handle all our groups. In fact, in February, we had a 120 pack group. So up to 150, we use tempos, which also is easier because अगर कोई late हो गया तो वो coach होगा तो फिर waiting का problem होता है. So we use tempos now.
Yeah. Question by Mr. Maheshwari. How safe is hotels hygiene in today's day?
Well, sir, as I said, all the hotels we work with have topmost quality and standards. So I'm sure all of them will be COVID ready like we are.
A question by Ms. Sujata. If someone wants to get married, what support can be given?
So unfortunately, marriages, if it's a basic setup, it can be done. But if someone wants to do like a destination wedding, Andaman is not the right choice, in my opinion.
A question by Mr. Emmanuel. Which beach will you suggest as the best for water activities? Elephant Beach or Bharatpur Beach?
Elephant Beach.
Question by Rekha ji. Mud Volcanoes Diglipur, is it a full day tour?
Mud volcano at Diglipur. At Diglipur, she said.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a minimum 2-night stay, and visiting Mud volcano there is a full day.
Okay, a question by Ms. Dimple ji. Liquor is available at all Andaman destinations? ?
Yes.
Yeah, question by Mr. Harish Doshi ji. Destination wedding is possible in Andamans?
Well, it is possible, but we don't recommend because the infrastructure is not there for a destination wedding.
Question by Mr. Abhinandan ji: is helicopter service still available for Portler Havelock?
Yes, helicopter service is available, but it's a 8-seater and it's mainly for locals and for administration. So getting ticket is not possible and is subject to last minute availability. Akshay,
Okay.
I think let's hand over back to Nikhil. I think the poll should have also been done, and
Sure.
let's thank everyone for being a part of this webinar. Nikhil, thank you so much, and thank you everyone. Look forward to connecting with you in the near future. Nikhil? Okay.
Thank you. Thanks, Akshay.
Okay.
I'm here all the way here. So everyone, just in case you haven't filled in the quiz yet, I put it again in the chat. You can click on the offer section and go to the quiz. Encourage you all to answer the quiz as soon as possible, as accurately as possible, so we can select one of you to get a free trip even during this lockdown to Andaman Islands, courtesy Akshay. So finally, I would like to say thank you very much to everyone, including the Faraway Hospitality team, for this wonderful session. Really appreciate you taking the time out. I think everyone is looking at your presentation today and has gone back thinking, wow, Andaman has to be the next name on our client's bucket list. So thank you very much, Akshay, Harsh, and team. Finally, a couple of other housekeeping announcements, everyone. Just to let you know, everyone who's registered for the webinar, you will get an email in the next 24 hours, which will have all the which will have the recording of the webinar. Feel free to forward that on to your guests. If you need, for whatever reason, similarly, your the recording of the webinar will be made live on Trap Talk India's Facebook page from this evening. Again, you can access it there, access it with your friends there. If you have any questions, you can either email me, which is nikhil.jeet@ddvpl.com, or you can email anyone in the Faraway Andaman team. Their contact details are on the screen now. With that, further ado, I would like to say thank you very much once again, and namaste, and we will hope to see you for the next webinars very soon. Thank you, Akshay and team.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Shiva, just
Thank
take a copy of the thing for the email ID. Some people have asked to send a nice presentation. We'll send them across.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.